Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to the Hennessy Files. I'm gonna give you a tour of my life. Everything out here real. Look, I come from the slum, dog. Trying to find a get-rich ticket, I'm like Slum Dog. Trying to be that millionaire, gotta work hard for. You never see me cracking the pressure, I ain't hardball. Used to try to get it in these streets like a yard bro. Now you see me raking in green like a yard boy. Boy, always knew how to hustle. Money easy to make, ayy, but so is trouble. So I'm shoulder shrugging, but there's lice punches. So you either roll with them or you learn to duck them. Never again you will see me with my ribs touching, cause I get the block pumping like big muscles. Old Schwarzenegger, buff Bagwell, fat 15s, cause I used to bag well. Hell, you couldn't imagine crazy life I live. No regrets, no apologies to even give. Yeah. Back when I ain't had no food in the fridge, still got on my grind, and I did what I did. Everybody was a hustler if you live where we live. Whether you do it for your fam or you do it for kids, just when you do it, just do it for real. Just do it for real, just do it for real. Yeah. Remember when they said never bite the hand that feeds you? Coming where I'm from, I never really had the need to. Why? Cause we fended for ourselves. Mama had to work late, made that dinner for ourselves. Pork and beans and hot dogs, no food up on them shelves. Ramen noodles didn't get it, even Spam couldn't help. Packed the shovel in the winter and we moved some snow. Lawnmowers in the summer and we cut some grass. High school job didn't make enough dough, so I got it in these streets, started moving grass. Life was moving fast, I was on the road. I watched some money come, I watched some money go. I really went broke. I had a lot of friends, but I'm looking over my shoulders like where the hell they go. I guess it can't be tainted. I mean, you win some, you lose some, but hell, that's still life, ain't it? Ain't it? Ain't it? Yo. Back when I ain't had no food in the fridge, still got on my grind, and I did what I did. Everybody was a hustler if you live where we live. Whether you do it for your fam or you do it for kids, just when you do it, just do it for real. Just do it for real, just do it for real. Yeah. I come from the